Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume in Canva step by step. If you're applying for a job, internship, freelance work, or simply want a modern-looking CV, Canva makes the entire process quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser or the Canva desktop app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type resume. Press enter and Canva will display a large collection of resume templates. Now, browse through the available templates and choose the one that best matches your style or profession. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Next, start customizing your resume. Replace the sample name with your own name, then update your phone number, email address, and location. After that, edit each section, including your professional summary, work experience, education, skills, certifications, and any other relevant information. If the template includes a profile photo and you'd like to use one, simply upload your image and replace the existing photo. You can also personalize the design by changing the colors, fonts, icons, or layout to match your personal style. Canva makes it easy to drag and drop elements, resize text, and rearrange sections until you're happy with the final result. Once you've finished editing your resume, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure all your information is correct and there are no spelling or formatting mistakes. Finally, click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, choose PDF Standard or PDF Print for the best quality, and then click Download. Your professional resume will be saved to your computer and will be ready to send with job applications. And that's how you can create a professional resume in Canva in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.